In Turkey, there is a village where people talk through a whistle. No need for words, no need for WhatsApp. What is this village and why the heck do they do this?
What did they say?
When I was in Turkey, I hosted a meetup to greet naas daily followers.
It's so cool. Wow, I love this place.
A lot of people showed up and it was a fun conversation. And at some point, one of the locals told me about a place where people don't need to use words. They just whistle. I thought this is fake news, but I still wanted to see it for myself.
When are we vlogging?
Since we have a boot camp, now let's go after you. Go ahead. This is ridiculous. It's not even a wide lens.
How do you tell him where we're going?
So I took 8 of my friends with me and we hopped on a plane to northern Turkey. And here we found this tiny, beautiful village called Kuskoy that has a population of 400 people.
Yeah, come. I just need to tell you guys something just in case. We're here at this insane village. It's beautiful. There's 8 people from God knows where. I don't know what the f is happening. Almost broke up with my girlfriend last night. It's insane.
Anyway, back to the story. The minute we landed, we were greeted like this. Immediately, we knew this may not be fake news. Turns out, every whistle sound means something. To understand this language, you need to train your ears, and to speak it, you need to train your mouth.
Silent.
Üfle. Üfle. Tamam, bunu ben yapıyorum bak.
At some point, if you practice this enough, you can have short conversations without using a single word.
What did they say?
Nasıl ne dedin sen? Nasılsın? Nasılsın? İyiyim. Sen nasılsın?
Hi.
Hi.
And then?
That's hi, how are you?
How are you?
Huh?
Good.
And how are you?
And how are you?
Okay.
Okay.
So why did this language start here? Well, just look at the village. All the houses here are very far from each other. So before technology, when they wanted to talk, they had to scream. And over time, they realized it's just easier to whistle. Nowadays, people just use WhatsApp, so this language could die. That's why they built an app just to teach the whistle language. So kids can continue this tradition for hundreds of years to come. How crazy is this world? In this village, they don't speak English, but they whistle really, really well. And that was all we needed to see. That's more than a minute. See you soon.